The city where everything feels louder, faster, and bigger. And today, we're adding to that. We flew down to set up Brez Scale's brand new exhaust on his Lamborghini Aventador S. The goal for this trip was simple: bring the Valvetronic sound to Miami and capture every moment of it. Then we all convoyed an hour north to Signature Autohaus, the shop trusted with installing some of the craziest builds in South Florida. From the first start to the tunnel runs to the night shots in Brickell, this trip was all about one thing: bringing a new chapter of sound to one of the wildest cities in the country.
We have the equal length race, the valved rear.
Oh yeah.
Crispy.
Can you even?
Bro, that shit is not, bro.
Man,
Making it happen.
we keep putting out products like that, and we're gonna get stuck with you forever.
Excellent people, Signature Auto House here in Coral Springs, yes.
That's
If you ever need exhaust products and also other services, wraps, wheels, anything, and of course, your favorite exhaust systems, come check them out. Anything that you need in terms of automotive customization, including all your Valvetronic needs, right here is where you find it. Thanks again.
Yeah.